Hello, we are going to create this flower including the bud and the text. To start, we are going to use to create a new document. So to create a new document we go to File, New, and then we're going to choose, for example, the print format here and create. Okay. So to start with the flower, we need circles. Choose a color to pink, and then for the line we set it to none. Okay, here we will create a circle. Let's take, for example, a circle which is 100 pixel as width and as the height. Okay, changing the value here. It has changed for both the width and the height, and then duplicating this circle by holding the command click okay, option key for mark, and then we're going to put it here. Okay, we see that it intersect, and then we are going to drag both of them down until we reach something like this. Good. Yes, so after we have drawn the 4 circles, just select all of them and then use the shape builder tool to merge all these into one single shape. Okay, now we have something like this, and we are going to create to put a circle inside. So we're going to draw a circle which is 80 pixel as width and height. Okay, yeah, 80. And I'll change the color to something a bit different. Okay, and then select both of them to align the circle on top at the center of the shape. So you're using the align tool here and here. So now the circle, the newly created circle, is at the center of the shape. Now we're going to select both of them, and then we're going to create a hole inside. We're going to use the shape builder again. Click on this, click back, and here, there you go. I'm gonna remove this. There's something inside. I'll just remove this also. Okay, and next we are going to rotate it. So to the rotations here to 45 degrees like this, and then we are going to add the stem. For the stem we're going to use a rectangle here. Okay, we're going to set the width to 20, for example. And then we are now going to draw the leaf. So for the leaf, we tried to approach. So the first one using circles, and the second one using arcs. So the first one we're going to create 2 circles, and create the circles 100. Okay, duplicate it using the option key for mark. Select both shape. Okay, just make it okay. Select both shape and then use the shape builder and then select the overlapping shape. Then we click back on it. Here we can delete those, and here we have our leaf. Okay, the second approach is using the curve tool. So what you are going to do, click on a point, click on the next point, and then it would say something like this. And you can click again and click back to close the shape. So here we have another leaf for our flower. And the last part is about drawing the bud. So to draw the bud, we're going to use the rectangle tool. Create a rectangle. Okay, and the size we can set it to 270 pixel. Okay, and then we are going to select the direct selection tool and then click on the anchor point here. So you will see that it's highlighted in blue compared to the others which are empty, and then we are simply going to click and drag it here. We do the same, we just click. When it's blue, we are going to click again and then drag. Okay, so here we are just going to center it. Good. And then we are going to add some designs to it. So we're going to draw a rectangle here. Okay, and then going to select both the bud and the rectangle and use a shape tool again to cut it out. Okay, here, select it, backspace. You're done. So now what we can do, we are going to merge all these into one shape. So we have selected the flower, the leaves, the stem, and the support of the pot, and we're going to use the shape builder tool to merge everything into one single shape. And the next step, we are going to add some highlight to the shape. To create the highlight, we are going to use the rectangle shape again, rectangle, and then click on it. Here we're going to change the color. Okay, and then selecting both, and use the shape builder tool again to select this part. Once selected, we can just click it and drag it. Okay, and here you can delete it. We can do the same for this part. Select both. Oops, this one. Select this, and here backspace. So here we have a color overlay on this one. We can choose any color from the color palette. You can choose something like this or something much lighter. Yeah. And now what we can do, we're going to resize it proportionally, so holding the shift key. And then we're going to add the word floral to it, so clicking on the text tool, floral, and increase the text size to 112, and then choosing the character to brush the script empty italic. And we can also change the color from black to pink, like this. Yes, perfectly. You can group these as one shape. You right click group, and then you select both of them, and then vertically uh, horizontally align both the shape. Next, what we can do, if we're going to share this file with someone, it's recommended to convert the text into a shape itself. So currently we can change, we can type again and update the text, but after we have converted to a shape, we will no longer be able to update the text. So to convert this text into a shape, we are going to go to object. We need to expand this. Okay, expand the object, expand. Here, click OK. And now you will see that each one of them is a shape. So if we're trying to modify it, we won't be able. We see that each one of them is just a shape. That's it. Thank you.